51, 18, 20,
Mm-hmm.
5, 7, 8. And
Okay.
then from Linux, I boot off the USB app you gave it. I'm just gonna just boot it up.
Uh-huh.
Nothing
Okay,
else.
okay. Okay, perfect. You are connected with your ILO port, right?
Yes.
Uh-huh. That is good. So do you want me to show you today this thing, the installation of the Citrix hypervisor?
Yes.
Yeah, it's fine. And then we can do it. I got one more we can do later. So
We can do it, not an issue, right?
yeah.
Please maximize the window.
Mm,
Okay.
mm,
Now you only have option to use your keyboard. So select
yeah.
OK, press tab key, then enter key. Okay.
Okay.
Now it will check for the okay, accept the license. And that is your second hardware, is it? Or what it is?
This is my second. So I got one more server and
Mm-hmm.
empty for the
Okay.
second. So we are good. So this is the
Uh,
one.
which is the available one? Like which drive can you use? Like
I can use the number B as our operating system, Citrix,
mm-hmm.
and then we can use A as
It's
anything like
for the storage purpose, right?
yeah. Yes.
Okay. Go ahead. Press tab key and click select OK. Second one we have selected. Please check that box. Enable thin provisioning. Press the space bar. Press the space bar. Yeah. Tab again. Enter. Local media is our installation source, but you can install the hypervisor with your FTP server as well and NFS as well, right? But in our case, what you are doing, you are using the local media, maybe USB or whatever you are using, right? So
Yes.
select OK. Mm, First option, we do not want to, verify the installation source. Wait, wait. No, no, skip verification. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Skip. So I go up. Yeah.
Yeah, what will happen? Otherwise, it will take some time to, verify the installation source, and our installation source is correct. Okay. So we do not
Okay.
want to waste that much of time. Yeah, hit enter.
Okay. Password.
Yeah,
Okay.
enters create some password for the root user.
All
Mhm.
right. So we have to
Which network
to
card do you like to prefer? Because I'm not sure like how your networking is
uh,
configured. It is showing 4 network cards, right?
yeah. So we can go with two. No problem.
Okay.
Two
Now,
automatic.
do you
Uh-huh.
want to configure the static IP if you know the like IP configuration, or you can go with the automatic one, but automatic is not always recommended into the production, right? So in
Yeah.
production, you will
Production.
yeah, in production you will find the servers with static IP configuration only. Okay.
Yeah.
So if you know your IP details, you can enter static, or
Mm-hmm.
else you will go with the automatic one.
Let me see if I have one. I have one. So let me go with one.
Okay, do one thing. Wait, wait, wait. Go with the
Yeah.
automatic for now. Go with the automatic for now.
Okay. No problem.
And once it will get the IP address now, you can change the same IP into the static one. Okay.
Yeah. That's what. Okay.
Okay. Click
Good
OK.
question.
Mm,
DHCP.
Wait. Press tab key one time and change the host name. Yeah. One more
Okay.
time. One more time. Tab key. Yeah. Remove this.
Okay. Go up, right?
No, that host name, that is Citrix -RKDQ, whatever the random, yeah. Delete
Change
everything.
that to, yeah.
Delete everything. Delete everything.
Mm-hmm.
Now make it CTX hyphen HYP hypervisor for HYP
Mm-hmm.
-01.
Got
Or
it.
you can make it like, like if you are having one hypervisor in New York or Canada, so you can make it like NY or for Canada, whatever the short word is used, right? So it should be identical, right?
Yeah. Okay.
What is that DFW means?
That's where I am. So I'll pick one for Dallas and then just like I'll pick one for Dallas and I'll pick one for New York maybe later.
Okay. Now click on OK.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Mhm.
I think
Select your zone.
yeah. Okay. Central. Again,
Simply, no, we do not want to configure the network time protocol. Network like time, it will be get from the DSCP scope only. Okay. Simply select OK.
okay. Okay. So it's a user manual time entry.
No,
So it gives
using
if you use
NTP,
it.
yeah, NTP only, yeah.
Okay. NTP address.
Nothing
NTP
required.
compatible DHCP. Okay.
Nothing required. Simply OK. Install.
Install Citrix.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is the whole hypervisor installation. Okay. Got it.
Yeah, that is very simple installation
Very
actually.
simple.
Like
Yeah.
you just simply need some guidance for the first time only. From second time onwards, you will be able to do that, right?
Got it.
And which server is this?
It's a
ILO.
HP G8 DL360.
What is the configuration?
Let me see. System information, processor, Xeon 250, memory 192,
Mm-hmm.
and network is this one, and storage, 2 drives.
Okay, so that is your like personal server or it's a corporate server? What you are using right now?
It's trash from corporate. It's
Okay, got it.
corporate trash. So,
Yeah, that is the only
yeah,
thing we IT persons can manage easily, right? At very
I
cheap cost.
know. IT trash is our lab.
Means I also used to do the same thing, like whenever
Yeah,
I have to retire any server from my corporate now, so I used to do that.
yeah,
Like I
yeah,
just
yeah,
need to connect with my scrap vendor, and from that scrap vendor, I can take it
yeah. Yeah.
outside of the
I re-
corporate.
At one time, it was so expensive when you were not working in IT. Buying
Yeah.
one server was
No,
such a big deal.
that will be very expensive, right?
I know. Anyway.
Okay, I have given you one more application, right?
Yeah. Yes, you did. Let me
That
go
that
back to
is
the
Citrix
folder.
Xenserver. Just open it. I will also recommend you to use that only, like Citrix Hypervisor only. Why? Because it is very fast and lighter actually. If
Okay.
you compare this to the that old one VMware vSphere client, right?
Uh-huh. So you did give us.
I have given you 3 files in that drive
Yeah,
folder.
yeah, yeah. Yeah. All right.
Yeah.
That's, so you've given us. This one, I
and
wasn't sure what this was.
yeah,
This
Gen,
is like the
yeah, this is the application.
workstation.
The Gen
Uh,
Center, install it.
oh, you can install it here anywhere?
Yeah, on your laptop. Yeah, install it.
Okay. What does this do?
Basically, like, when you are using your VMware as a hypervisor, right? So
Uh-huh.
to access your VMware, you are having one option, right? You must have to enter that
Oh,
IP address over the web browser, right?
exactly.
But in case of Citrix hypervisor, this application is given by Citrix, which is a GUI tool to manage the hypervisor.
Got it. Got it.
Okay, so this is just an application.
Mhm. Got it.
I'm not sure if it is supported by Windows 7. Yeah, it is working. Yeah, please install it. And
Okay.
please try to, go to at least Windows 10, man. Why you are still on Windows 7?
Uh, no, this is not Windows 7. This is I just made some customization
Okay,
because I don't like the Windows I don't like the Windows 11 interface. So this is Windows 11.
okay, means you might have installed some theme or something like that, right?
Yes, 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 yes. This is Windows 11. So
Yeah, but that icon, it looks like Windows 7 icon, start menu. So that's
yeah,
what I was getting a
I
bit.
like the old look. So
Okay, perfect. Install it. Install it.
okay. So next install.
Guys, I think for you guys, like today is a Friday, right?
Yeah,
Yes.
Friday. Yes.
Yeah, but for me, it's my Saturday morning. Okay, so like if you guys available in weekends as well, na, like my afternoon or maybe your afternoon, you can ping me or you can text me. We can mutually schedule one time and we can connect for some long sessions. Okay, so
Sure.
after this call, you can like take a sleep. You can go to the bed and from like tomorrow and day after tomorrow, it will be off for both of you guys, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Perfect then. We can mutually discuss over in that particular WhatsApp group what I have created, okay? And
Yeah.
we can fix one time, okay?
Sounds good.
And like your afternoon, that will be somewhere around. Mm, I'm not sure about the timing.
Yeah, you are like right now, you're like 9 o'clock there. So
Yeah,
AM.
yeah,
So
yeah. For
I
me, it's
really look
9
at it.
a.m. For me, it's 9
Yeah.
a.m. right now.
Right. Yeah. So like our 10 o'clock or 11 o'clock AM is your 10 o'clock is your 9:30
PM.
PM. Yeah. So that if that works, or maybe 9 o'clock, weekend, I love to sleep. Maybe 10 o'clock. I can join like 1 hour or 2 hours. I don't know what time you sleep.
No, right now it's morning for me, no, man. So I'm not going
No,
to
no,
sleep
no.
in my morning.
Yeah, but our morning will be your night.
What
So
about
at
what about
Yes.
what
11,
about what about 6 or 7 p.m.?
6 p.m. Your 6 p.m. right?
Yes.
That will be fine. I think your 6 p.m. that will be somewhere around 6 a.m. for me,
Oh,
yeah,
that's good.
that's
right?
early.
Mm,
Yeah.
so let's make it 7 then, okay? Because
Okay.
6
Okay.
a.m. is quite early for me, right? To wake up.
Mm-hmm.
So let's make it 7 or 7:30, something like that, okay?
Okay.
Okay, not an issue. Go to that installation part where it is, that ILO
Sure.
console.
Yeah. Where's I go right here. Okay. Would you like to install any supplement package?
No,
No. No.
no.
No.
Yeah. So
Okay.
basically, supplement packages are nothing. These are the kind of add-ons and additional services given by the Citrix, okay?
Okay. Got it. So
So
this one is managed from here.
yes.
Oh, okay. Got it.
So right now it is not getting any IP address, so you will not be able to
Mhm.
connect. Okay, once it will get the IP address,
You can just add
then
a server here.
yeah, add a server here. And that console is very, very unique and very, very, easy to create the virtual machine. You will see that is very, very
Mm-hmm.
simple console. And you can install that application inside any of your laptop, desktop, whatever is connected into your network or domain, right? And you can manage
Okay.
a number of hypervisors.
Mhm.
And also you can manage Citrix hypervisor from a Putty software as well if you ever work on the Putty software.
Oh, okay, cool.
Putty and WinSP as well, okay?
Okay, got it.
But in
Should have
Putty,
put it.
you
Yep.
you cannot manage it in GUI mode. You have to manage it in CLI mode, that is command line
Eli
mode.
Moore. Got it.
Why? Because sometimes we just have to operate some commands only, right? To clear the cache,
Mm-hmm.
to reboot the server, or to put it into the maintenance mode. So command line is very basic option.
Got it.
Rayan, when you will be ready with your hardware, man? You told me like you are about to buy some. You sent me some configuration, right?
Yeah. Gentleman told me he's available tomorrow after 6.
Okay.
I saw other things on eBay. I don't know if you're familiar with eBay over there, but I saw other things on eBay, but I don't have time to get something from eBay. So
Okay, so do one thing. Please try to get this done in weekends. Okay. In this weekend, please get to like get your hardware at your home. Okay.
yes.
Uh, Phillips, do one thing.
Yep. Yep.
In the meantime, please go to your Active Directory server and just show me the permissions of that domain user what you are using right now.
Okay. Is the domain admin,
Yeah.
enterprise admin,
Okay.
everything.
Everything. Yeah, that is fine then. Okay. Cancel this. It will take a bit. Okay.
So VMs, whatever, like if
Mm-hmm.
we go here, and like where is this? Applications or PCs, whenever you deploy here, it's gonna go to the hypervisor and create those VMs. Is that
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Okay,
So
got it.
basically, Citrix Studio, that is a management concern only, right? Whenever you are
Ah,
creating a new virtual machine, it will get deployed over hypervisor only, not on the delivery controller. Okay.
got it.
Okay. In the meantime, let's do one thing. Go back to your delivery controller and create one site in that VMware VS per client only. Okay. So how we'll do
Okay.
that? Just open the IP config of this virtual machine.
Okay.
Open. So your network is 168.50.75, right?
Yeah.
Now, I'm just checking for the compatibility actually. Now, just show
Mhm.
me the network. What is there in that Citrix hypervisor? Okay, both
Sure.
network are same or not?
Yes. Yes, they are same.
Okay, click OK, click OK. Let's wait for the IP address. Means if both the things are the same, na, so in that case, what we can do, we can configure two delivery controller, one on Citrix hypervisor and another one is on VMware.
Okay.
So in that way, you will be having two sites or two hypervisors. If one of your hypervisors went down, so your connection will still be available with the second one. Okay.
Okay.
So that is known as the high availability.
Oh, okay. Nice. This one takes 2-3 minutes, maybe 4-5.
Okay, no problem. In the meantime, go back to your delivery controller. Maximize that window, man. It's very kind of, yeah. Now, minimize that PowerShell, not required. So, now, as I told you, when you install the delivery controller for the first time, you have to install in Citrix Studio, and Studio installation is must inside the delivery controller. Other components you can keep separate servers for the same. But now, as you can see at your screen, we are having three options: to set up a new site, and to enable the remote PC access, and to scale up our deployment. So scale up the deployment, that option is available, like when you are already having existing delivery controller or existing site and you have to add new delivery controller to your site for the load balancing. In that case, you have to use the third option. Second option, it is for the remote PC access. So remote PC access means like if you are having any of your server which is physically available in your infra, right? Like any AD server or SQL server or whatever the server. So you can directly publish that server to your end users over the internet. So that is known as the remote PC access. And second option, that is to deliver application and desktop to the end users virtually, and all of these machines will be virtual machines only, right? So we'll go with the first option, to set up a new site. Click over there. Now it is asking for a site name. So site name, it could be anything, but it should be identical. You can keep it like your office name, your like country name. Okay, yeah, that is fine. Click on next. Now, very important, in Citrix we are having three database. First one is your site database, second one is your monitoring database, third one it is your logging database. So database are the logs which stores the information related to like whatever the operations is going on inside the infra. So our first database, which is site database, it will store all the information which is related to your site, means how site is configured, how many virtual machines are there, whatever the like resources are there, each and everything will be there in site database. Second one is your monitoring database. So monitoring database, it is it will store all the information related to the hardware utilization. Means if any of your virtual machine is overutilizing the hardware, means if your virtual machine is allocated with 8 GB of RAM and it is utilizing 80% or more than 80% of the memory at a time, in that case you will get a alert, you will get a triggered to fix out that particular issue. So monitoring, that is for hardware utilization or the power state or any other failure related to the hardware only inside your data center. Third one, it is your logging database. So basically logging database, it will store all the information which is related to the end users or the Citrix admin. Means when users are logging in, what the end users are doing, when they are logging in, when they are logging off, whatever operations they are doing, whatever applications they are using, closing, or whatever they are doing. Okay, so these kind of logs will be stored in the logging database. Any doubt here?
No.
Okay, now on your right hand side you can see the location. So basically, we have installed SQL Server in this machine only. Okay, so that is the only reason that is showing localhost/SQL Express. Okay, so SQL Express, that is the instance name. Okay, but in production, you will find a separate SQL Server. In that case, you have to replace the localhost by the IP name, IP or the host name of that particular SQL Server and instance name. Okay. So we are into a testing world. So we are installing the SQL Server on the same machine. Simply click on next. So it will connect to the database and it will validate the details. Now it is asking for the license server. So license server also we have installed on the same machine, and that is the only reason why it is showing localhost, and 27,000 it is a port number for the license server. Okay, and that is very, very important. Now by default, Citrix license is available at free of cost for 30 days. So we are going to use that license only for learning purpose. But if you are having any existing license, so you can click on the second option. Just click on the second option. And now, once you select this option, you can allocate the license. So just click on allocate and download. Yeah. And you will get some license code from Citrix and you have to enter that code over there. Okay. Cancel this. And if you have got any license file from Citrix, so you can browse for the license file that is known as .lic extension, and you can upload that license file. Okay. So it's totally up to your finance team, like how many license or how many VDI license you have to procure, right? So if you need any license, I will give you. That is not an issue. But yeah, right now we will go with the 30-day style. So go with the first option.
Okay.
Click on next. Now, as I told you, Citrix supports all the hypervisors which is available into the market, right? So if you can click on this one, the drop down menu. Yeah. So you will see Citrix are compatible with Citrix hypervisor. Then your Hyper-V is now renamed to Microsoft System Center Virtual Machine Manager. And third one is your VMware vSphere client. So in this case, we are using VMware, right? So select this one.
Okay, this case, we are using VMware. Okay, we are installing this. Okay, connection.
Yeah.
Okay, this machine management is I use. Okay.
Now you have to enter your VMware connection address.
Okay, so VMware is. Are we talking about okay.
We are talking about your vSphere client, okay? Not the ESXi host.
Not the ESXi host.
Yeah, that virtual appliance you might have, right?
This one?
No, not this one. Go to your that vSphere console. No, the first tab. Yeah. Have you configured that virtual appliance here?
For which one? Hypervisor?
Yes, for
this one? No.
Okay.
This one I need to press and hold and reboot because I think it came back to the USB.
Unmount the USB.
Okay.
And then
so I need to turn it off and remove the USB. Or maybe it may tell me where to boot off F10 and then I will I will choose. So I'll keep an eye out for it. No problem. So so here it's asking for, where did it go? This one. So it's asking for select a connection type if the
Yeah.
management is not used, for example. So are we connecting to?
We are connecting to your VMware vSphere client, okay? So that is your vSphere only, na man. That is URL.
Yeah.
Just copy that. Just copy that. Yeah.
This
Wait.
one?
Nah. That 192.168.50.115, the URL at the top, na. The
This
first one.
one.
Yeah,
Okay,
this
okay,
one.
okay,
Yeah,
okay.
I need this URL. Okay.
Okay. Connection type, connection address. Okay, 192.168. Okay. Username. So here
Yeah.
we go with domain or administrator at vSphere.local. Let me make this full screen. Okay. Machine creation services.
Yeah. Give some connection name. Give some connection name.
Okay.
Make it your CTX hyphen your site hyphen 01, something like that. Perfect. Click on next. Wait.
HTTPS. Okay.
Yeah, make it that correction. Please do the correction. I think it is asking for, yeah, make it https:// it is over HTTP or HTTPS your hypervisor?
HTTPS.
Let's see. No, it's over HTTP, man. You can see there is a red alert. It will throw some error, but yeah, not an issue. We can. Okay, guys, in this call, only a 1 minute is remaining. Okay. And I will be sharing new invite to you after a tea break. And in the meantime, Philip, please fix that issue. Like, you just have to enter the correct connection address. That's it. Okay.
Okay, no problem.
Okay, guys. Thank you very much.
All right.
I will see you soon. Yeah. Bye.
Okay.